The sun peeked over the hills, painting the sky in a cheerful swirl of orange, pink, and yellow. "Wakey, wakey, sleepyheads," chirped Trisha, a girl with bright, curious eyes and hair the color of sunflowers. Her brother, Tom, a freckled boy who loved to invent things, rubbed the sleep from his eyes. "Is it picnic day already?" he mumbled, his voice still a little fuzzy with sleep. Their mum, with a smile as warm as a fresh-baked cookie, nodded. "It is. And today, we're trying something new. We're having a moving picnic." Trisha and Tom exchanged bewildered glances. A moving picnic? Did that mean their sandwiches would dance the jig? Would their lemonade skip and hop all the way to the park? The very idea made Trisha giggle, a tinkling sound like tiny bells. They helped their mum pack the picnic basket. It was a true rainbow of deliciousness: ruby red strawberries, emerald green cucumber sandwiches, golden yellow corn, and sky blue blueberry muffins. Tom, ever the inventor, carefully placed his latest creation inside, a small, whirring device he called the Snack-o-Matic 5000. He was absolutely convinced it would magically make their snacks float right to them, no reaching required. Instead of heading to their usual spot, their mum led them to their big, shiny red wagon. "Hop in, adventurers," she exclaimed, a mischievous twinkle in her eye. Their dad, strong and steady as an oak tree, began to pull. Slowly at first, the wagon creaked, then with a little more speed, it started to roll along the quiet street. "Whoa!" cried Trisha, her sunflower yellow hair streaming behind her. The trees along the road seemed to wave hello as they passed, their green leaves rustling a greeting. The colourful flowers in people's gardens danced in the gentle breeze, like tiny ballerinas in a grand outdoor show. "This is a moving picnic!" Tom exclaimed, his eyes wide with wonder, completely forgetting about his sleepy morning. He pressed a button on his Snack-o-Matic, but nothing happened. Maybe it needs more speed to really get going, he mused, already planning adjustments in his clever mind. They rolled past a field of fluffy white sheep that looked exactly like giant cotton balls scattered across a vast green velvet carpet. Trisha imagined bouncing on them, soft and squishy. Then, they rumbled over a little wooden bridge, the sound going clackety-clack beneath them. Trisha closed her eyes for a moment, imagining their sandwiches doing a lively little jig inside the basket, dancing to the rhythm of the wagon. Their mum pointed ahead. "Look! A perfect spot!" Their dad gently guided the wagon to a stop beside a sparkling stream, its water so clear it looked like a giant piece of glass. Dragonflies with shimmering, jewel-toned wings zipped and hovered nearby, their delicate bodies catching the sunlight. "Bye,"